Hey guys, Brian here with the Frostbite JL, and on today's video I just want to do a quick update on the Jeep. We did go ahead and get the new TSB steering box, the steel box from Mopar, installed on the Jeep. Just wanted to give you guys an update, kind of give you what to expect and let you know my impressions on it. So go ahead and stay tuned. I want to apologize for the audio quality while I'm driving. It was raining pretty hard, so it's a little hard to hear. But if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. My brother-in-law is also getting the same steering box done on his Rubicon, so we should have quite a bit of information here in the next week or so on how it is long term. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Hey guys, how's it going? Brian back here with the Frostbite JL, and today we are going to get the TSB for the steering box done on my Wrangler. I'm heading into the dealership now. I did go ahead and take the Synergy track bar brace, the sector shaft portion of that off, so it'll be easier for them to swap it over. But it is pretty noticeable that I have that off. I do have quite a bit of wandering on my steering box, so it'll be kind of cool to see what happens with the new steering box. I'll let you guys know. They say it should take about 4 or 5 hours, and I'll definitely come back and show you guys that when we're all done. Let you know my impressions. There's definitely room for improvement with the aluminum box. So hopefully this new steel box fixes the wandering, and we'll see if we even need to put the Synergy sector shaft part back on. If not, then I'll probably leave it off. We'll see. All right, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're back. So I just got my Jeep back from the dealership for the TSB on the steering box. I had it back for a couple days now. I've got about 50 miles or so on the vehicle. The initial impressions are amazing. This new steering box is way tighter than the old aluminum one. All the kind of drifting and whatnot you get on the freeway is gone, and it's way tighter. The best way to explain it would be it kind of feels like I'm in 4 low beforehand, with how tight the steering was with steering effort and whatnot. It has kind of broken in a little bit over the last couple times driving, and now it feels really nice. I compare it to my Grand Cherokee. It's a 2018, so it's very comfortable now. I definitely recommend getting it done. I did have to go through Jeep Care. Initially they were giving me a little bit of blowback at my local dealership just because of all the modifications I had. They were a little leery about doing it. But I did go ahead and get it done. I went through Jeep Care and they were great, extremely helpful. And yeah, I'm definitely happy with it. So if you guys haven't had it done yet, you should probably go out and get it done while they still got them. It does take a week or two to get your steering box in. And then it wasn't too bad. They had it for a day. They did actually leave my Synergy track bar brace on, and they even reused the Synergy pitman arm nut, which is great, so I can get my brace back on if I want to. So all in all, I think it turned out great. I'll show you guys some shots in the new box. When you are shopping for a used one or even a new one, 2021s should all have them, but you do want to look under there and make sure you have the black box, not the aluminum colored one. It's pretty easy to tell, but something you want to look out for if you're shopping for a used one. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching this. I'll put the TSB number down below, and I'll show you a little shot of all the paperwork and all the parts that they went ahead and installed for me. But all in all, it was a great experience, and I definitely recommend it if you've got a JL with the aluminum box. All right, thanks, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Stick around. We got more fun stuff coming. All right, take it easy, guys.